How was your weekend? I think it was good. I was playing video games with my friends. That sounds fun. Do you often play video games? I think pretty often. Nice. Have you got any plans for the evening? I think I'll just relax at home. Maybe watch a movie. Sounds great. I might do the same. I think you might like the new TV series on Netflix. I think it's interesting. I think. Does she know any other phrases instead of I think? Hello guys, my name is Atena and welcome back to my YouTube channel. When students express their opinion in English, they often say I think this, I think that. There is nothing wrong with saying I think, but there are a lot more phrases you can use to make your speech a little bit more advanced. In this video, I will help you to learn more different phrases you can use instead of I think, so that you will express your opinion in different interesting ways. In the first part of the video, we discuss common ways to say I think, which you can use with your family, friends, and classmates. In the second part of the video, we learn more advanced and formal ways to express the same phrases when you're at work or in school talking to your teachers or professors. Now, let's get started. Common ways to say I think. The first phrase you can use instead of I think is in my experience. In my experience, early morning is the best time for productivity. What I mean is, learning language is the most interesting thing in the whole world. If you ask me, the best way to spend a weekend is relaxing at home. I believe that hard work leads to success. Before we go further, I just wanna ask you something. If you're enjoying this video so far, please click that like button and a notification bell so you'll never miss any of my video lessons. The next amazing phrase you can use instead of I think is in my opinion. In my opinion, tea is better than coffee. I feel like when you see dark clouds in the sky and the wind blowing, you might say, I feel like it's going to rain soon. The next phrase you can use to express your opinion is I would say. Listening to the rain is so relaxing. In my experience, what I mean is, if you ask me, I believe, in my opinion, I feel like, I would say, how was your weekend? I would say it was good. I was playing video games with my friends. That sounds fun. Do you often play video games? As I see it, I do pretty often. Nice! Have you got any plans for the evening? It's likely that I just relax at home. Maybe watch a movie. Sounds like a plan. I might do the same. In my opinion, you might like the new TV series on Netflix. Now, let's have a look at the more advanced ways to say I think. From my point of view. From my point of view, summer is the best season. You can also say, as far as I can tell. Let's say your friend is looking for a new job and ask for your opinion on a company. You could say, as far as I can tell, that company has a good reputation. Another advanced way to express your opinion is from my perspective. From my perspective, this project deserves more time. But there are more different ways you can express your opinion to sound more advanced and fluent. When you share your opinion in front of the group of people, for example, when you're in class, in the lesson, giving a presentation at work, or in the IELTS exam, you can use advanced ways to express your opinion. We can use third person pronouns. It, everyone. It's widely accepted. Everyone knows. Everyone agrees. Many believe. You can use these phrases when you say something that you believe it's true. When you're certain about something, it's widely accepted that breakfast is an important meal to start the day. Everyone knows that kindness is a universal language that connects people. Everyone agrees that she is the best doctor in the entire city. It's widely accepted. Everyone knows. Everyone agrees. Many believe. We can also say something. Something that the video game was great while others hated it. But what if you are? If you're not sure about something, it could happen, but maybe it won't happen. You can say it's possible that. It's possible that he's telling a lie. I think he's telling a lie, but I'm not sure. It's likely that. It's likely that it will rain later today. I think it will rain later, but I'm not sure. Another common phrase you can say is correct me if I'm wrong, but correct me if I'm wrong, but be careful. By saying this phrase, you're admitting that you may be wrong. Sometimes people ask us to explain our opinions and to give reasons for the opinions we have just expressed. There are many ways to do this. For example, you can list your reasons in a certain order. Firstly, secondly, thirdly, and so on. I'll give you a quick example. I prefer home-cooked meals. Firstly, they are healthier than fast food. Secondly, they save money. Thirdly, cooking is enjoyable for me. If you want to add more information, you can also use conjunctions and transitional phrases. Additionally, moreover, in addition, on top of that. Thank you for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Now you know how to express your opinion in English in different ways. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and click that like button and a notification bell so you'll never miss any of my new videos. I love you guys. See you next time.